Welcome to the GeoVision 2026 Product Roadmap and Updates webinar. In this presentation, we will explore our latest product releases, highlight upcoming solutions in the pipeline, and share important updates to our existing offerings. We will begin with hardware by introducing new camera models, such as the 8MP series cameras, the dual lens panoramic cameras, and new models in the AI ISP and LPR product categories. We also have a new Cloud Bridge model that adds features beyond the existing Cloud Bridge Pro, along with a new advanced video analytic platform called the AI AGX Server. Moving on to software, we have updates to VMS, Edge, Recording Manager, Control Center, and Enterprise that bring some new features and improvements. The final cloud section will cover new features for Cloud VMS and Cloud Access Control, followed by two new cloud services. The Cloud Web Report, which is a centralized analytics platform for people and vehicle statistics, and Cloud PoE Management for monitoring network switches. Lastly, we have a new Direct-to-Cloud SNVR that can be remotely monitored through our Cloud VMS platform. Just a quick note, the following products are based on initial specifications and a tentative release schedule. Final product features and release dates are subject to change without notice. Section 1, Hardware. A new segment of 8MP high-resolution G-series cameras will be introduced. These are direct-to-cloud AI IP cameras that have built-in connectivity to our Cloud VMS platform and offer advanced AI video analytics, including video metadata capabilities that capture the object attributes of people and vehicles. So things like gender, age, clothing color, whether a person was carrying a bag or wearing a hat, as well as vehicle type, color, and brand. Other features include AI ISP, which uses AI algorithms to enhance low-light image quality. Full color, which uses built-in supplemental lighting to produce color images in low-light environments. And motorized lenses that allow users to remotely adjust zoom and focus to fit their monitoring needs. For complete detailed specs for each camera model, please refer to the GeoVision Product Selector tool or the product datasheet. Within the new 8MP G-series camera lineup, the dual lens panoramic cameras represent a new standard in achieving wide area coverage while maintaining high image quality. Because each lens captures a portion of the panorama, the resulting image is sharper and more detailed. Compared to single-lens panoramic cameras, the dual-lens configuration also eliminates the fisheye distortion effect often seen at the edges of the image for improved visual accuracy. These cameras also support the active deterrence feature, which automatically triggers lights and audio warnings during an alarm event for proactive protection against intruders. Other features include video metadata to capture object attributes, full color for enhanced low-light image quality, and built-in microphone and speakers. Looking at a sample image for the new dual-lens panoramic camera, you'll notice higher image detail across the entire field of view, with no warping at the edges. The buildings in the background appear straight and proportional, and the horizon line is flat rather than curved. Images from the two lenses are precisely aligned and seamlessly blended, creating a natural-looking stitching effect. Here's another sample that tells the same story. Again, the horizon is flat, and the concrete posts are upright and proportional. Image stitching is seamless with no obvious breaks in the image. In addition to the 8-megapixel AI ISP cameras, we also offer a new 4-megapixel AI ISP Vandal Dome model designed for rugged environments. The GDRN 4800 features a 2.8mm lens and delivers full-color imaging in low-light conditions. AI analytics and microphone are built in, along with IP67 and IK10 ratings for weather resistance and vandal protection. The LPR 4913 is a new 4-megapixel license plate recognition camera. It features a motorized lens and comes in two variants, one with a focal length of 2.8 to 12 millimeters and another with 8 to 32 millimeters for increased zoom. The camera is also IP67 and IK10 rated. Cloud Bridge Plus is an enhanced version of the existing Cloud Bridge Pro that doubles the camera connection and people-vehicle detection channel count from 8 to 16 channels. It comes with a dual network interface for network isolation, allowing users to separate the camera network from the corporate or internet network for improved security. Other features remain the same as Cloud Bridge Pro, including Cloud VMS and Cloud Access Control connectivity for IP cameras, controllers, and readers. You also have IP camera connectivity to other GeoVision software, such as CenterV2, Cloud Video Watch, Recording Server, and GVI, connecting up to 16 IP devices through a secure GVVPN connection without the need for port forwarding. Managing up to 16 inputs and outputs and integrating I/O boxes for sensor monitoring and alarm triggering. IP speaker integration, where you can map an IP speaker to a camera channel to perform a live talk-down or have the IP speaker playback a pre-selected audio file in the event of an alarm event, such as motion, people vehicle detection, or input trigger event. Live broadcasting of IP camera video streams to streaming platforms, such as YouTube and Twitch, is also supported. AI AGX Server is a high-performance advanced AI video analytics platform that uses AI inference to identify potential threats and alarm events and sends out real-time alerts and snapshots for proactive defense. It currently detects 4 main types of security and safety incidents. These include identity concealment, detects when a suspect is wearing a hat, mask, or sunglasses to hide their identity. Violent behavior and dangerous object identification, detects when a person is carrying knives, bats, guns, or other weapons and exhibiting aggression. Fall detection, identifies when a person is falling or lying on the ground, particularly useful in nursing homes and healthcare settings. Theft behavior detection, recognizes suspects placing items into pockets, bags, or clothing. Another feature of the AI AGX server is natural language search. Traditionally, incident investigations often required manually scrubbing through hours of footage or relying on manual preset filters. Now, you can simply search using a conversational prompt, and the AGX server will identify the relevant clips for you. For instance, searching for a man in blue riding a bicycle delivers precise results of the suspect in seconds, allowing footage to be shared instantly with law enforcement. AI AGX is designed to integrate seamlessly with the GeoVision ecosystem, enabling advanced video analytic events to be searched and monitored through a range of GeoVision software solutions for real-time alarm alerts and efficient investigations. Section 2. Software. For software, VMS version 20.1 software update introduces a range of new features and improvements including AMD GPU decoding, support for the C-Series camera line and TXVL1610, and the ability to add focus views of cameras to the VMS scan window. Other features include multi-factor authentication. You can now set up two-factor authentication using a mobile device with the Google or Microsoft Authenticator app. Once the app is linked to the VMS, it generates a temporary PIN code that you enter along with your regular VMS password to provide enhanced security. OAuth support enables the integration of Gmail and Outlook email accounts with the VMS simply by logging into the email through the Google or Microsoft authorization portal and granting access. Previously, the process was more complicated and required setting up an app password for third-party applications in Gmail and Outlook. With this feature, the process is streamlined and much easier to set up. Web windows can be displayed on the main live view layout of VMS, allowing external web-based content or data to appear alongside live camera feeds for unified monitoring. Example applications include web interfaces for IoT or industrial dashboards showing the facility uptime and machine load. Displaying access control monitoring interfaces, camera web interfaces, or incident reporting tools and forms. With SIP video calling, users can dial out to other SIP clients, such as intercoms, door stations, and wall panels, to engage in two-way video calls. This enhances the VMS by providing broader integration options with on-site communication devices. Alarm event notifications through Telegram and Line messaging services gives users greater flexibility in choosing how they receive alerts. Event push notifications to GVI version 3.6 will be supported. This is a highly anticipated feature that improves situational awareness by keeping users informed of on-site incidents. When an event occurs, users can quickly review the relevant footage and respond accurately. Edge Recording Manager version 2.3.2 increases the maximum supported camera channels from 128 to 256 to accommodate large-scale sites. Do note that this feature does require a paid license. Control Center version 4.3.1 adds support for Cloud Bridge Pro and AMD GPU decoding. It also introduces the ability to display EMAPs from GeoVision directly within the Control Center. This is especially useful for users who want to monitor both Control Center and Cloud EMAPs on the same interface. GeoVision Enterprise version 1.2 adds support for new IP camera models and connections to GVI Guard version 2.2 and VMS v20 hosts. The subsequent version 1.3, adds a failover function that automatically switches video recording and monitoring from a primary VMS to a secondary VMS in the event of a failure. With version 1.3, users can also create camera live view layouts on Enterprise and assign them to GVI clients. Section 3, GeoVision. Moving on to Cloud VMS. VMS v20 can now send POS transaction amounts to the Cloud VMS when a transaction contains a defined keyword. For example, if the keyword total is set up in VMS v20, whenever the word total appears in a transaction, the numerical value following it will be sent to the Cloud VMS. Through Cloud VMS, users can search past transactions by camera, time, and amount and access its playback, live view, and snapshots. A practical use case is when a store owner wants to review high-value or suspicious low-value transactions. Rather than visiting the VMS PC, they have the ability to quickly find and review these transactions directly through the Cloud VMS. Cloud Access Control adds support for the FR Panel v2 for facial recognition-based access control. Do note that the FR Panel v2 only supports sending snapshots of access events when connected to GeoVision Access. Cloud Visitor Management provides a centralized interface to monitor, register, process, and search visitor requests. The dashboard allows users to track visitor activity in real time, displaying current visit requests along with details such as scheduled visit time, destination, approval status, and whether a visit has ended and the visitor has checked out. Visitor access can be granted via access card, QR code, or license plate and can be set to auto-deactivate. Visitors may also submit their own visit requests through an online portal, which reduces administrative workload and expedites the check-in process. Cloud Web Report is a new service in GeoVision that aggregates statistics for detected people, faces, and vehicles. Log metrics include the number ins and outs, current occupancy, peak and off-peak occupancy, gender, age group, vehicle type, and vehicle brand. The statistics are viewable on a customizable dashboard featuring both numerical and graphical representations of the data that can be exported as a CSV or PDF file. Web Report can be configured to automatically generate and email reports on a set schedule, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Counting devices and software can be grouped for easier management. For example, if you are monitoring multiple buildings but only want counting results for Building A, you can group the counting devices and VMS systems in Building A and then view or run reports only for that group. Going a step further, you can also define data collection windows so that Web Report only gathers statistics during specified hours, such as during business hours. Overall, Cloud Web Report combines powerful GeoVision AI video analytics with cloud-based centralized reporting to deliver valuable business intelligence and actionable insights. Cloud PoE Management is another new GeoVision service. Switch models like the APO 0812, APO 1612, and APO 2412 will be able to connect directly to the Cloud PoE Management service when upgraded with an upcoming firmware update. Once connected, users can monitor the status of the switch and its ports, including CPU and memory usage, PoE power consumption, and upload and download speeds. In the event of a malfunction, PoE ports can be remotely reset, and the switch itself can be rebooted remotely. Firmware upgrades can also be performed directly through the Cloud Web Interface. In addition, Cloud PoE Management features a network topology function that helps users visualize the structure of their network. It also includes a system log function for reviewing events, along with an alert function that can send email and push notifications for switch activities and outages. These features ensure that system administrators are promptly notified and can respond quickly to minimize downtime. For the first time, we have a Direct-to-Cloud SNVR that can be monitored through the Cloud VMS. The GNVR C0810P supports up to 8 IP camera channels with resolutions up to 8 megapixels, along with one SATA hard drive offering capacities of up to 10 terabytes. It supports two-way audio and can be accessed via the GVI and GVCloud apps for remote monitoring on mobile devices. Users can easily deploy multiple units and centrally monitor them through the Cloud VMS for a simple browser-based setup. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about our products or have any product-related questions, please visit our website or email us at support@geovision.com.tw. See you next time.